I'm Adé Mochtar. I'm the co-founder and CTO of Instruqt. The idea for Instruqt got started back when I was a consultant at Xebia, a local consultancy company in the Netherlands, and we were helping HashiCorp organize their first conference. We didn't just want to have a booth and talk to people. What we really wanted is to have a way for attendees to experience products of HashiCorp firsthand. So what we created is this fun little thing called the Hashi Contest. We created sandbox environments, had HashiCorp's tools pre-installed, and this led to people getting really excited about learning HashiCorp's tools. A lot of the feedback was, hey, this is a super fun way to learn about all of the tools. I knew one of them, but because of your contest, I learned about all of them. And this is basically where the first idea for Instruqt got started. I think in the past 5 to 10 years, the buying journey has changed drastically. Historically, you had to wait for a sales rep to be available, maybe come to the office, set things up for you. Today, we live in an age of instant gratification. People don't want to wait anymore. So if they don't have a way to click a button and experience your product firsthand, you're already lost them. And this is where Instruqt comes in. We provide these self-service capabilities where people can basically experience your product at the click of a button. Hands-on experience, they build confidence. They let people move from, I think this could work, to, I know this will work. You're basically building champions within your customers. So I think we're still seeing in the market is that a lot of companies are still putting a lot of barriers in between their product and their users. And this really hampers their adoption. So some of those barriers are maybe a sign-up form that you need to fill out, a sales rep that you need to go through, difficulties in setting up software. In our opinion, the best approach is to make it as simple as possible. Meet people where they are and let them explore. I think what sets Instruqt apart from our competitors is this really focus on the sandbox environment. We have incredibly powerful sandbox technology. You can basically encapsulate anything, any product, and anything around it that it needs, and it will be available in the click of a button for our users. In addition to that, we are also capturing whatever happens within these sandbox environments. And this is data that our customers use to determine, is this a good lead? Is this a good prospect? Is this a customer that's worth chasing? Our customers have complex products. Our mission is to make it as simple as possible for their users to experience their products. So what we're seeing with our current customers, which are mostly in the tech space, right? All of the learnings that we take from them, I think those are exactly applicable to any software company. So I think in the future, I think Instruqt can and will play a pivotal role in the buyer journeys for any software company. I'm incredibly proud of the team that we've built, the product that we've created, but most importantly, the amazing list of customers that we have and all the amazing innovative things they've built using our product.